Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video, I am going to explain about the Digistra's shortest path algorithm. Okay, so before start this video, the Telegram group is available, so the viewers can get this tutorial code on my Telegram channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first question is, what is meant by shortest path algorithm? Okay, so if you are a computer science student, definitely you must know this algorithm. Okay, so consider this image. Okay, in this image there are 2 points are there, A and B, and A represents our starting point and B represents our destination point. Okay, so in between these there are so many routes are available to reach the destination B, but we need to find out the shortest path to reach our destination, so only we reduce our travel journey. Okay, so using the Digistra's shortest path algorithm, we are going to find out the shortest path between the A and the destination B. Okay, so there are so many shortest path algorithms are available, but here we are going to explain about the Digistra's shortest path algorithm. So in future I am trying to upload all the shortest path algorithm. Okay, so Digistra's algorithm is an algorithm for finding the shortest path between the nodes in a graph which may represent. Okay, so the shortest path can be calculated only for the weighted graphs. Okay, so note this point, the shortest path can be calculated only for the weighted graphs. Okay, so what is meant by graph? The graph is a non-linear data structure consisting of nodes and edges. The nodes are sometimes also referred as vertices. Okay, and the edges represent lines or arcs that connect two nodes in a graph. Okay, so you need to understand what is meant by the graph. Okay, so I am going to explain about what is meant by the weighted graph or non-weighted graph. Okay, so a graph where the both edges and the vertices have some weights or values is called as weighted graph. Okay, so here the weight represents some amount of values that present in between the edges and the vertices. Okay, so only the graph is represented as the weighted graphs. Okay, so on the non-weighted graph, it represents the graph does not contain any values in between the edges and the vertices. Okay, so that type of graphs are called as non-weighted graphs. Okay, so here we need to import the NetworkX module. Okay, so let's import the module called NetworkX. Okay, so next we are going to initiate the graph. Okay, so let's declare a variable called g and nx dot. So after initiate the graph, we need to create the graphs. Okay, by giving the edges and the vertices to our graph. Okay, so let's create it. First of all, here we need to declare a variable called e and open the list and start to create the edges. Okay, so here, so look at this, A is a 1 vertices and B is a 1 vertices. Okay, so in between these two vertices there will be an edge, and the weight of the edge is 1. Okay, so this is the syntax. First of all, you must understand the syntax, then only you understand this program. Okay, so let's create another edge. Okay, so this is our graph. Okay, so using this points we are going to create the graph. Okay, so after create the graph, we need to mention it is a weighted graph. Okay, so only we are going to initiate the Digistra's algorithm. Okay, okay, so this is the representation. Okay, so here we must inform the program we are going to initiate the weighted edges. Okay, so we are going to represent a weighted graph. Okay, so only a program understand and then apply the Digistra's algorithm. Okay, so after that we are going to print the shortest path. Okay, Okay, so here I'm going to find out the shortest path between the A and the E. Okay, so look at this graph. Okay, so this is our graph. Okay, so in this graph we are going to find out the shortest path between the A vertices and A vertices to E vertices. Okay, so let's run the program. Okay, so look at this. This is the shortest path. Okay, so based upon the weighted edges, it prints the shortest path. Okay, so this is the brief explanation of the Digistra's shortest path algorithm. Okay, so if you want more scripts like this, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the instant updates. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching and catch you guys on the next one. Okay.